of the issue, the students' union and the student community has come into an understanding that we are trying to resist, we are fighting against the corporate state administration nexus, and we can only achieve our demands through political, legal means supported by huge mobilization from our student community.